Yummy! Look at this bread. It's just got out of the oven. Soft and hot. You just need to add a hamburger or something in it and finish it. Hello friends, it's Mr. Boy. Today we want to see how to bake a baguette bread and teach you how to bake one. Just like the video, and let's go. At first, add some salt to the mixer or any kind of pot you want to bake this bread. Now we must add water into the mixer because here is a bakery they use too much of the ingredients, but for baking this bread, use the amount in the picture to make an outstanding baguette bread. Add flour. Its extraction rate is 78%, which is called setare flour in Iran. It's time to add yeast. Then mix them well. They're all mixed together. Now let them rest for 30 minutes and cover them. Half an hour passed and it's time to do molding. As you can see, here everything is almost automatic and all the things are done by machines. A part which is done by hand is this, that makes the dough wider and taller. The dough will be cut after, so that at first you can choose the size of your dough. There will be no need to cut the dough. It's time to let the dough rest in a warm place. If you don't have a warm place to put the dough, you can let them rest more than 30 minutes. The capacity of your dough at least must be double. It's better to cover them. Here, because the temperature is too hot, we don't cover the dough. You can't believe how hot it is. Anyway, half an hour passed. Our dough is ready and it's time to bake it. Before put it in the stove, turn on the stove and let it become warmer. The oven is ready for baking the bread. You can bake this bread at home in 200 degrees centigrade for 15 up to 20 minutes. Yummy! Look at this bread. It's just got out of the oven. Soft and hot. You just need to add a hamburger or something in it and finish it.